In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Division Rivals with two controllers FIFA 14. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an additional controller on any console, you will be able to connect it and use it to do two-player mode on Rivals in EAFC 24. So all that you have to do on any console is to start by connecting the two controllers to the same platform. So if you are on PlayStation, you will be using a DualSense controller. If you are on Xbox, it's going to be a different one, and so on. But to keep it simple, you simply have to connect it. You can either do a wired connection, so usually this will be done with a USB cable plugged into the console directly and the other end into the controller, or alternatively, you can do a wireless connection. So if you want to do it wirelessly, which is what I recommend, for PlayStation 5, you just press and hold the PlayStation button and then the share button simultaneously for a couple of seconds, and it should be picked up by the console. Of course, if you are on Xbox, this is going to differ, but to keep it simple, just make sure that you connect the controller. Now, if you see a pop-up similar to this, either on Xbox or PlayStation, it is very important that you assign a user account. So regardless of the console that you are on, go ahead and assign an account. If you are on PlayStation, you will have to assign a PlayStation Network account to that additional controller, or you can use it as a guest. First, I recommend trying out as a guest, see if it works, and if it doesn't work, then you can go ahead and create a PlayStation Network account just to be sure. But once the user account has been properly set up to this controller, you can just go inside of the game, choose Ultimate Team from the main menu, and then select Rivals. Upon choosing Rivals on the Ultimate Team menu, you will be able to find this option, so all that you have to do to join your friend is to press triangle on the additional controller. They are going to load in immediately, and both of you will share the same screen to play Rivals on EAFC 24, and you can use both controllers on the same console. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Division Rivals with two controllers FIFA 14. 24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.